Happy New Year! Well, mid-January. 2026 is gonna be the best year ever because it's the year of the Sourdough Sidekick. Rick made bread last week, but it's been a minute since we've done a product update. So let's go talk to the team and see what they're working on.
All right, I'm Bobby. I'm the software engineer here at FirstBuild working on the Sourdough Sidekick, and we have some updates for you today on how the software is going. We've been making quite a few updates, doing lots of testing, getting good feedback from our field testers. We have several updates we've made. Most of them are small, minor things. One of the cool things is now when you before, when you would hold the cancel button, you wouldn't have any kind of feedback as to whether or not it's actually being activated and it's counting down. So we added a little countdown, so when you hold that button down, it just counts down to let you know that you're holding the cancel button instead of hitting the start button. We're dialing in things still a little bit, trying to get things just as perfect as we can, trying to adjust some things. We want to, for one thing, allow you to have the most starter in your crock as possible, but we don't want to have so much starter in there that it overflows and makes a big mess. So we're trying to get the right balance there. We're trying to get the right sensitivity of buttons so that they activate when you touch them, but they don't activate when you touch near them. So if you're taking out the crock, you don't want to accidentally hit buttons as you're doing that. So we've got to get all those things just right, and we're constantly tweaking and adjusting to make sure that you get the best product that we can provide you.
Hey everyone, so as the excitement for Sourdough Sidekick goes up, the amount of time that we're actually spending on very unexciting things is also going up. So we want to give you a quick update on where things are at as we're approaching production. The first topic I want to talk about is production itself. We're not quite ready for mass production yet. We're in what's called the pre-pilot phase, where we're building units with production intent and parts. We're exercising our manufacturing systems, as well as putting together all of the quality control systems in place to ensure that the product sent out is great. That means we're doing product testing at the end of the production line, as well as ensuring all the new parts coming into the manufacturer are up to spec. We're also wrapping up life and reliability testing to ensure the product runs great over its life. This is just putting Sidekick through its paces to ensure that it breaks early and we find out the issues before it lands on your countertop. Another boring but very important aspect is logistics, warehousing, and distribution. We're just trying to figure out how to get the product from the factory to your homes. So we have to figure out all the stresses that the product will go through on its journey to you. That includes putting the packaging itself through some rigorous testing. The other thing we're doing is standing up our customer support. So in the unlikely case that you have a problem with your Sidekick, or even if you just have a question for us, you'll be able to reach us and get those issues resolved. Probably the most exciting thing I have to share with you is just the feedback that we're getting from field testers. Really, to date, the only issues we've really been having are with software. The hardware itself is actually pretty awesome, working great for everyone. We're seeing great pictures of people's bakes, of their sourdough. I've seen things like sourdough pancakes, focaccia. So we're seeing great pictures of food come in. It's making me hungry just looking at them. But really, software is the main thing that we're focusing on. So every time we get a report of a bug from a field tester, we're on it, we're fixing it right away. Which brings me to the next topic, over-the-air updates. So we are ensuring connectivity for your Sourdough Sidekick through Wi-Fi. This means that we can push product updates in the future that only make Sourdough Sidekick improve over time. So we're at the point where a lot of the loose ends are coming together and we're converging on the final product and production. Probably not the most exciting update for you guys. The big updates are going to come soon in the near future when we actually ramp up and start production.
Hi, I'm Katie. I'm one of the field testers for the Sourdough Sidekick. And right now we're in the middle of a mixing feeding cycle, and I'm boosting it up because I'm about to make a whole bunch of cinnamon rolls. Lately it's been my favorite thing to do. I've got some tangy sourdough loaves ready, and I've done pizza dough, and I've done some baguettes. So right now I'm really kind of playing around with it, getting a feel for it, seeing how it does, getting used to how the modes work, how we do the schedules, and then watching when it's ready and then testing it out. So I've been using auto mode. It's been going really well. It's ready when I want it to, and sometimes it's a little bit surprising because it'll look like it's really low, and then all of a sudden, it gives its last feeding, and then you have everything correct, and it's like, I don't know, it's very exciting to see. So I've also used the ratio and custom. I've been trying to play with all of them, see how they fit, what's the best fit for me. So far I've really liked ratio because that way it lets me kind of dictate what kind of volumes I want and how much I want of everything, which is what I do with my regular starter.
If you pre-ordered the Sourdough Sidekick, then watch your email. There's gonna be an email coming from FirstBuild just to verify your shipping address so we can make sure that we capture any moves and get it to the right person. And who is the person on the other side of those emails? Our new person, Grace. Be nice to her, she just started here. All right, well, guess what? I am also a field tester, so I have been making my family record me on video while I am starting a new starter from scratch. So as soon as I get those results, I'll be sharing those with you too. And until then, keep watching the Sourdough Sidekick video playlist, and we'll see you next time.